worry, Noah. I've got this.
Yeah! Super Sema saves the day!
Woohoo! Slime. It's gooey, sticky, and noisy. But what is it? Let's find out together. Are you ready to join us? Twende, let's go! We love slime, don't we?
We love slime!
Shh! Not too loud, in case Babu hears us. He's not a fan ever since he got some stuck in his beard. But why are we so obsessed with slime? Well, it all began when Tabor made his own special slime. He called it Supercharging Energizer. But the only super thing it did was create a lot of super silly dancing.
And some super rude noises.
Things that take up space are called matter. And the state of a matter could be solid, liquid, or gas. So which one of these is slime?
Well, it's not really solid. Its shape changes.
That's right. Solids are rigid and keep their shape and size. But the slime changes shape. So maybe slime is a liquid?
Well, my juice does this when I pour it in here, but my slime does this.
Ah, look! A liquid like juice takes the shape of the container, but the slime doesn't completely take the shape or level out flat on top.
So it's not a liquid, and it's not a solid. Then what is it? Ooh! Can we find out through the super search?
Great idea! What is slime? Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid that doesn't follow the rules of solids, liquids, or gases. This means they change the way they act depending on how much force you put into them. For example, if you pull slime slowly, it will flow more easily, acting more like a liquid. But if you pull it really fast, it will act more like a solid and break. And here's a super fact. Nature was the first inventor of slime. Some slime is living. In fact, 900 species of slime live and grow on Earth.
Living slime? Like my slime monster?
Not quite, Noah. But we can invent our very own kinds of slime. Want to do it?
Yeah!
Let's technovate! Here's how to make slime.
It's slime time! Yeah!
So first we make our base slime. Here's the recipe. You need 2/3 of a cup of glue, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 tablespoons of contact lens solution or borax, and finally a 1/4 cup of water. Now mix, mix, mix. You can also add food coloring, eco-friendly glitter, and toys to make it look cool.
Super cool. Ooh, gooey. Nice.
Now that we have our base slime, we can add different materials to give the slime different properties.
I wonder what happens if I add a tablespoon of some shaving cream.
The shaving cream has bubbles, which mix with the slime to make it lighter.
Yeah, my slime is more foamy now. Nice. I want to make my slime extra bouncy.
Just add some cornstarch, 2 tablespoons at a time. And I'm going to try and add a teaspoon of body lotion. Let's see. Whoa! My slime is now super stretchy.
Man, super bouncy. What's this?
Wait!
Did I hear the word slime?
No, Babu. There's no slime here.
You know, slime is banned in this house.
Try making your own type of slime. I'm sure you'll have so much fun. Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Stay super and keep technovating!